Hello again. Hopefully this time my video is better, not quite as shaky. My subject was a dessert glass, shot dessert glass, about 3-4 inches tall. I placed it on my a purple sheet behind like this. I laid it down, and then this is the book I used to denote the table. So I took the picture like that, but laying down like that. I chose the glass because it's small enough I could place it anywhere, and I thought that it was interesting that we don't have a lot of non-sculpture-y type glasses. I chose a dark background with indirect sunlight because the places I put the glass seemed to blow out the glass where we couldn't see the features or anything. You just see the sunlight reflected in it. And then the other extreme was that the glass kind of faded in the background. That it didn't even look like it was there. Our house is very dark. We always talk about living in a dark cave. But we have lots of windows that will let in a lot of natural light. Except it was just too much light for this particular project. I liked the pattern on the sheet, but it didn't come out it didn't come through in the picture. I find that my face blindness has translated into my Photoshop pieces, or how I work on the Photoshop pieces. When I can see partials of faces, or I remember partials of faces, it just takes a great deal of time and effort to put all those pieces into one picture that I can remember, which is why I always take pictures and have them in my phone book when I need to check up who's calling, or when I need to find out who's who, whatever. What happens is I'll focus too much in one single spot, and in this case I forgot about the rest of the picture. Like when I was doing this 2mm spot. It's great to do the fine details, but perhaps a little bit overwhelming when I pull back and look at the whole picture and go, oh no, what do I got to do now? I did like the photo because I had to pay attention to details, but could take a break and look at the picture later. But I'm glad that I took a photo because the sun changed quite rapidly, or at least I thought it was rapidly. I thought it was a fun and engaging project to do. It didn't take as much time as I thought it was, but that was because I got lost in the process, and my my I didn't realize how late it was until my husband is coming in the door with the kids he went to pick up at the bus stop. But it was okay, don't worry. It was his day to do that. Oh, I also spotted a pattern on the glass. I don't know how well you can see it, but there's a pattern on the glass, and I didn't see it when I did the picture. And I was looking at it later, and I'm like, oh, wait. So I must have placed it right like that, so I couldn't really see the picture there. So yeah, great for not looking.